He is an NRI. He was working in Dubai. As on that date, it was 10,000 dirhams, which is about 2 lakhs or odd.
What has happened to the before the court below? What are all the documents that you have filed? What was addressed by the court?
My lords, my lords, I have not filed my assets and liabilities there.
What is you don't do anything before the court, come before this court, and this court again say do that exercise. No, I'm thinking from now onwards will not pass such kind of an order.
Pending arrear of 15 lakhs rupees, in which we have filed execution petition.
The petitioner, my lords. Petitioner is the husband's writ petition, my lords. He is challenging the order by which 50,000 was granted as interim maintenance, my lord.
How much is his income?
My lords, as on that date, he is an NRI. He was working in Dubai. As on that date, it was 10,000 dirhams, which is about 2 lakhs or odd. After that, my lords, a labor complaint came to be filed against him. His visa was cancelled and now he is back in UAE, but on a freelance visa. He is teaching music to children, keyboard and vocals. Therefore, his income, he doesn't have a stable income. It is about 5,000 dirhams, my lords, out of which 97,000 is his expenditure. To substantiate the same, on the last date of occasion.
So 5,000 dirhams is how much Indian money?
1,10,000. Out of which, my lords, 97,000 is his expenditure to.
What has happened to the before the court below? What are all the documents that you have filed? What was addressed by the court?
My lords, I have not filed my assets and liabilities there.
What is this? When you have not filed your statement of assets and liabilities, why should this court hear it? No, it has become a fashion. Now, in every case, you don't do anything before the court, come before this court, and this court again say do that exercise. No, I'm thinking from now onwards will not pass such kind of an order. Even to morning also, you have seen 2-3 matters and same. No, why the court has no other work? Why should they pass orders? Then again come before this court. Why have you not? Is it not that you have not given an opportunity?
My lords, I'm a resident of UAE. There must be some communication.
You are also a resident now.
Yes, my lords. That is why I have brought the affidavit.
No, the same things you could have done that time also.
I understand. Completely
because
understand.
resident of UAE, we need not come personally. He has an advocate and he can instruct that.
I understand. I completely understand and what is falling for.
Above what they say, because they say that they filed this writ petition on the ground that they say there are only 2 grounds. One, they filed an application, objection to our application under section 36. Second is the trial court did not give them enough opportunity to file the ample opportunity to file the assets and liability affidavits. If the matter is referred back to lower court also, they may not do it. Why? Because we are filing this matrimony MC petition.
My lords, I'm sorry. I may not do it. I'll submit. I will submit. I will undertake to file my statement of assets and liabilities. I may not file it.
My lords, I have his assets and liability which he has filed in the criminal miscellaneous number, which I have filed along with the objection in this honorable court. That is the reason, my lord, because there is a pending arrear of 15 lakhs rupees in which we have filed an execution petition in execution number 195/2023.
Let us see his statement of assets and liabilities which you have filed in magistrate.
Filed along with my objection. One he has filed in the DV court. That also, and there are various contradictory statements by the petitioner.
No, let us see first.
In my objection, in page number 12 onwards. We not in that, in page number 15.
When did you file?
He filed.
Not you filed. When did you file?
I filed on 4/7/2020 for my objections. Because in the trial court, he is filing his wakalat on 27/5/2022. And we have filed our application along with the main petition on 16/11/2021. And then thereafter, he is filing his objections on 16/11/2021.
It's not there on record.
Because it is even reflecting in the system.
No, it is not there in the file.
I have been served.
They also have been served the copy and